Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine. After we did some repairs, like I'm gonna mention it after I test the shop. This machine comes to us, it was working kind of random, like getting water, getting steaming, brewing, whatever, sometimes not doing anything. Okay, there you go. I'm still actually calibrating. Okay, this is after the tune-up. I replaced also the low bed gasket, and it's hard a little bit because it's still new gasket. I like to test it with double shots. That should be coarser a little bit. I put it in the middle in 25. Because I found it like really coarse. Okay, there you go. This is great shot from this Breville with thick crema. It's just a steamer. Actually, this steam one did really deep cleaning, and the machine did descaled twice and cleaning cycle. I clean and calibrate the grinder too. That's perfect. Let me test the hot water. That works great. So yeah, the main issue with the machine was actually it's not that. The main issue was like leaking from the top of the steam boiler. It's like there is a lot of O-rings like that, and when I was testing I also tried just to replace rings, but it was leaking also from these. I noticed there is cracks on these probes. Here's the 3 probes, and the leak was going up. The position of that, it's in right on the top of the steam boiler, so that get somehow like look up here. I don't know if it's clear on the page. It gets burnt. Here there is some of those things here just get melted. I tried in the beginning to clean it up with the electronic cleaner, but it was like it didn't work. And here is the steam. Here's the solenoid, the 3-way solenoid valve that gets replaced too. This is the low bed gasket, and there is so few other issues. Like while I'm working, I found this. I was trying to replace also O-rings on other hoses, but I found that like there was like missing here something, so I just replaced the whole hose. Yeah, so the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.